What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everything Wedding. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. We are super excited to have you on our channel today because we love you guys so much. So if you find this channel useful, kindly consider subscribing. If you're not yet subscribed, do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video. And guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, because that also helps to grow the channel. Leave me a comment in the comment section letting me know which gown is your favorite gown and why do you love it. So guys, in today's video, as we enjoy these incredible gowns, we are also going to be giving you tips on ways to have fun while you're planning your wedding. So guys, while in the midst of your wedding planning, you think it's going to be very easy and it's going to be stress-free. So no bride has ever said they've had an easy and a stress-free wedding planning. So between the constant decision making and the endless list that you have to do, you'll feel a little bit overwhelmed. Not even a little bit, you're gonna be so overwhelmed and maybe even a bit over your head. But planning a wedding should be fun. It should be something that you enjoy, and it should be something that you really are going to love, because some of us get to do it only once. So we are going to give you a few tips to make the planning process just as exciting as the main event. So guys, if you're a bride at the moment, please ask yourself, what are you doing to make your wedding planning more fun? So the first thing you gotta do is to reward yourself for completing a not so exciting task. You really need to reward yourself when you complete a task that you found was not exciting at all. So guys, you finally booked your florist, you need to pop yourself a champagne, or you treat yourself to something that you love. For example, you can treat yourself to your favorite meal as you assemble your invite. So having something to look forward to after you complete a not so exciting task will make it much easier for you to enjoy. Another thing you should do to make your wedding planning more fun is to focus on the items that you love, and you can also delegate the rest. So if picking out a song is stressing you out, assign it to your better half. If you don't know a petunia from peony flower, you can ask your mom to tackle the flower. So delegating some tasks that you'd rather avoid will enable you to solely focus on the things that you really love doing. So guys, some other thing you can do is to plan a date night. So if you're stuck on some decision, you need to take a break, and then you can make a date night with your better half. So getting out or having a cozy night with your husband to be is gonna make you happy, and it's also going to help you to clear out your mind. So no discussing the wedding on your date night. That is something that you really have to remember on your date night. When you go for your date night, kindly do not discuss anything about the wedding. Instead, you need to focus on why you're getting married and life after your wedding. I wanna wake up with you. So another thing you can do to make your wedding planning more fun is to plan a party for the ones that are helping you with the wedding planning. So as there are close to 1 million text messages between your bridesmaids about the dress, the accessories, the bachelorette party, questions regarding the bridal shower, plan a champagne brunch in your home to iron out everything, the logistics and everything. You can plan a brunch or just a get together or a party for the ones that are helping you, so that you get to discuss everything. And also host a sit chat dinner party with your spouse and both of your parents, so that you can knock it out in just a few hours versus replying tons of emails concerning the issues. You can also enlist your bridesmaids to help with the DIY projects during a girls' night. Just be sure to reward them with some pizza, and you can also just reward them with some wine, guys. So in short, what I'm trying to say, if you're overwhelmed with the emails and the constant messages that guys are sending you, asking you to answer them back regarding your wedding planning, what you can do is to plan a gathering with your bridesmaids, or if it's your parents and stuff like that, so that you guys can get to discuss it in one sitting, and then you get to answer out everything as you enjoy the party, instead of sitting down and answering to thousands and thousands of email from your vendors and stuff like that. So it's better to just organize a party with your bridesmaids, and then you guys can get to discuss everything and just iron out everything in one sitting. So another thing you can do to turn your wedding planning into a fun one is to turn wedding planning into a competition. So you can challenge your spouse or husband to be or wife to be to see who can stamp the most envelopes. Or you can also invite your friends over and challenge them to a signature cocktail recipe and naming competition. There are so many ways that you can turn a wedding planning into a game, and this is going to make it so much fun for everyone that is involved. And lastly, if you want to have a fun wedding planning, what you can do is to hire a professional. So any bride can attest to the fact that planning a wedding is not something that is so easy. So if you start to feel frazzled and overwhelmed, a wedding planner is always a good option to make the process very less stressful and more enjoyable. So having someone to guide you through the whole process is going to leave way more room for fun. Remember, you're planning for what will soon be the best day of your life, and in the end it will be so worth it. So you can always hire a professional, a wedding planner, to help you with certain things. You don't really have to do everything by yourself. So guys, I really hope that you find this video helpful in one way or another. And if you're a bride that is planning a wedding, at least today you've gotten a few tips to make your wedding planning more fun, so that you don't really have to be the bridezilla at the end of your wedding or during your wedding. At least we've given you a few tips when it comes to wedding planning, tips to make it more fun. So I know that you guys are going to find this video helpful in one way or another. So guys, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload. And guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you got something out of it. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And guys, I really hope that you love the gowns that we've shared today, and I hope that I'll be able to see you guys on the next one.
Got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you